Hey guys, what's up? It's B-Town with Affordable Streams. If you're here, you're now a member of our Patreon page, because that's the only place this video will be posted. This is how to program the OnBox. I no longer recommend Fire Sticks because, one, these boxes are cheaper, and two, they're better. So it's a win-win situation, really. Because you can get a better device for a better price. So why wouldn't you do that, right? So let's get into it. So first, you just add your batteries to the remote and connect, and then you'll select your info and then set up on TV instead. Or if you're doing this at home and you already have a Google, just scan it with your phone and set it up. That's perfectly fine. But for me, I'm going to do it a little bit differently because I do not have a spare Google account to use, only my real one. So then we connect to Wi-Fi, which is just, sorry about that, didn't mean to put that key there. Oh, there's no back button, go figure. That sucks. So you gotta come down here and hit erase. So my Wi-Fi password, yeah, good luck. If y'all are ever here, you can steal it. There we go. Now we're gonna be skipping forward to this part of the video. Once we go through it, we're just gonna show you, not me logging in because it's a pain and a waste of time, and you're gonna be watching for no point at all. So we're gonna cut that out. Let this OnBox get connected to the internet here, and then we'll continue with just getting it updated, which I'll cut all this update out too. So now we've logged into our Google account on the OnBox after it updates, and we're going to accept the terms and conditions. Of course, we're going to accept all this, accept all that, blah blah blah. No thanks, you don't have to allow this, or you can. It's your device, set it up however you want, that's fine. Got it. Google Assistant comes included. I'm not going to set the remote up, but you can because I'm selling this device, you're not. So it's going to set up the Google TV and finish that, and then we're going to go over this a little bit more on what to do here in a few when I come back. Alright, so we're back. The Google box has went ahead and operated and opened everything up, and this is what you come to next. You can do this, you can do any of these things that you want, and during this process might be slower for the next few minutes. We just go to Google TV. So then what you're going to want to do to program the device, because that's really all we're concerned about, is just go to apps and search apps. Now the key to this, which is a little secret I'll let you in on, is to just type in down, then load. And then search. And it's going to pop
results for download.
Now, if you don't type in downloader, or you type in downloader, it'll bring up some weird apps. I'm not sure why, but it does. So we'll go ahead and install this app, and then we're going to install our Affordable Streams app too. Open it up. Allow its permissions. Enter the URL field on home. So we're going to type in the 185.632, which is the downloader code for our Affordable Streams version 9. Affordable Streams version enter a valid URL. What are you talking about? Okay, so we're going to want to install Downloader by AF TV News, make sure it's the one by AFTV News, because as you see just before, I'm going to put that in the video, I screwed up and I downloaded the wrong app. So it messed everything up. People make fake apps just to screw with stuff and rip people off. So we're just going to do it again on the real app, this time 185. 6, 3, 2, and then we're going to hit go. It's going to come on, redirect, everything's working right, don't be alarmed. It's going to send us to another page, and it's going to start connecting, and then download the file. And then once it's downloaded, we'll install the file. We'll have to allow it the ability to install the file, but we'll be fine other than that. And then we'll just install. Install. And then we just hit open. And the app's installed. You're of course going to select mobile or TV for whichever device you're using. And then you just enter your name, your username, and password, and hit login. And I'm going to come right back and show you a few more tips. Okay guys, great, I'm back. So just like on the Fire Stick, the OnBox has a home button. So just hit the home button. Now this is the OnBox Pro that I am programming. So it could be a little bit different on the normal OnBox, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. So, affordable streams, if you hold down the center button and hit move, you can confirm it and move it all the way to the front. And that way, when you first turn your device on, it'll be right there in the front to go ahead and check out and download. I don't know what this is, but we're definitely not going to watch it. Looks like some people were watching some naughty stuff on here. But anyway, thanks for your guys' time. Thanks for watching. And come back for the next video. Bye.